let me introduce Running Man. Very good friend.
I'm the annoying man, the annoying man. I come when shadows come. With my yawning tongue, I stroll along and help put people to sleep. If you just can't sleep and you're tired, there's a remedy. It's the yawning man. Yawn. Sleep till the dawn. Little If the Sandman comes and his sack he ties, tell him go away. Who wants sand thrown in his eyes?